Hey there, fellow creators. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on every content creator's mind, YouTube monetization. In this video, we'll cover the basics of YouTube monetization, so you can start earning from your passion. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the YouTube Partner Program. It's the gateway to monetizing your channel. To be eligible, you need to meet certain requirements, such as having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you're accepted, you can start earning money through ad revenue. Now that you're part of the YouTube Partner Program, let's explore ad revenue. YouTube offers various ad formats, including skippable ads, non-skippable ads, display ads, and more. The amount you earn depends on factors like CPM, cost per thousand views, ad engagement, and viewer demographics. Remember, creating engaging content can help maximize your ad revenue. Another way to monetize your channel is through channel memberships. This feature allows your viewers to become members by paying a monthly fee in exchange for exclusive perks like badges, emojis, and members-only content. It's a great way to build a loyal community and provide extra value to your most dedicated fans. Did you know you can sell merchandise directly on your channel? The merchandise shelf feature enables you to showcase your branded products beneath your videos. From t-shirts to mugs, you can offer your audience a chance to support you while rocking some awesome merch. It's a fantastic way to monetize your channel and strengthen your brand. And there you have it, the YouTube Monetization 101 Crash Course. We covered the basics of the YouTube Partner Program, ad revenue, channel memberships, merchandise shelf. Remember, monetization is not just about the money, but also about building a sustainable and thriving community around your content. Keep creating valuable and engaging videos, and the monetization will follow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on growing your YouTube presence. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy monetizing!